guys, in today's Python DSA video, we are learning about hashing function. So please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. And let's see what our hashing function. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So now we are learning about hashing functions. So in with Python DSA. So let's learn about that. A hashing function is used to convert strings and other non-numeric data types. This sentence means like a hashing function is used to convert. Convert, you all know, means it converts strings and other non-numeric data types into numbers, which can be used as list indices. For instance, if a hashing function converts the string across into the number 4, then the minus key value pair Akash 7878787878 will be stored at the position 4 within the data list. Okay. Now this whole sentence means like a hashing function is used to convert strings and other numeric data types into numbers which can then be used as list indices. For instance, if a hashing function converts the string is Akash into the number 4, then the key value pair in the single comma Akash, then comma in the single comma 7878787878 will be stored at the position 4 within the data list. Now, here's a simple algorithm. There one very simple, easy and non-difficult algorithm for hashing, which can convert. Like this is one. Let me give you one example. Like this is which can convert this is strings, and it will convert it into, and it will be this one numeric list indicates. Then it will convert into the numeric list indices. Number 1 is if you convert strings into numeric list indices. So this number 1 is iterate over the string. Iterate over the string character by character. Number 2 is convert each character to a number using Python's built-in ORD function. Number 3 is add the numbers for each character to obtain the hash for entire string. Number 4 is take the remainder of the result with the size of the data list. Here you can see this 4 algorithm I have told you to convert the strings into a numeric list. These 4 are I have told you. So here you can see it. In today's video, we are learn about hashing function with Python DSA. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to call the notification bell also. Then go on to the Google, search here YouTube, and search in my channel by the name of Code with PK. When you search it, so go here, subscribe and all the notification bell, and we are very near to the 10,000 subscribers. And you will be support me on this video like binary. You please support me these 2 videos also. And now then go on to the playlist and go on to the Python DSA tutorial playlist and bookmark it from here, and please access it also. And please share this playlist from here. And okay, so now here you can share. And if you genuinely if you are enjoying my videos, so please share my videos with your friends and family, and do not forget to download the notes from the link below. And you also do not okay, so now I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.